Okay, we've got a southbound CSX here.
That's right. G52201 over.
It said 520?
G52201 over.
G52201.
Alright, we're going to go through a tunnel. We'll buzz you up after we get through it, alright?
There's something coming the other direction, or what in the other direction, sounds like. CSX grain train. There must be something sitting over there waiting. All these got the new logo on it. Said all these have the new logo on it. There's that one I wish I'd have got a picture of. It had said the CSX. That one. That's one I want to get a picture of.
Here comes another one. There should be maybe one. Hey! Looks like a little Mexican with mushroom hat.
I got that picture of that boxcar. It's got a guy playing the guitar on it, but it's also got that sloth. It's got the sloth on it from I say somebody painted the sloth on it with the acorn. He's slowing down. So, makes me wonder if there's one going to be coming the other direction. Now, he might have a pusher. It's a pretty long grain train. But now, you were asking about grain trains too. The way you can tell is the bottom. See how it opens up on the bottom? The others will have what looks like tubes coming out of the side of it. So that's how you can tell. Now, it's a pretty good sized grain train.
So is that the new logo and that one's the old one?
The boxcar is the new. The gray units, the gray engines that are going blue have that. That means that it's one of the other ones.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, he's stopping.